Good morning. I have this essay and it's called Rising Above Learning Laziness, Achieving Optimal English Proficiency. In the pursuit of English proficiency, we often encounter hurdles that can make us feel stagnant, unmotivated, and at times even lazy in our learning journey. These moments of learning laziness are natural, but they need not define our path. Instead, they can serve as opportunities for growth, resilience, and ultimately achieving optimal performance in English proficiency. Understanding learning laziness. Before we embark on the journey to overcome learning laziness, it's crucial to recognize its signs. Learning laziness can manifest as procrastination, lack of motivation, or a sense of being overwhelmed by the language's complexity. Acknowledging these feelings is the first step toward conquering them. Set clear goals. One of the most effective ways to combat learning laziness is to set clear, achievable goals. Define what you want to accomplish in your English proficiency journey. Whether it's passing an English proficiency exam, improving your communication skills, or mastering English for career advancement. Having a clear destination provides motivation and direction. Break down tasks. Often, learning laziness arises when we perceive our goals as too daunting. To overcome this, break your learning tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Instead of focusing on mastering the entire language, concentrate on mastering specific aspects, such as vocabulary, grammar, or conversational skills. Celebrate each small achievement along the way. Develop a constant routine. Consistency is key in language learning. Establish a daily or weekly routine that includes dedicated time for English practice. Consistency helps reinforce what you've learned and minimizes the risk of forgetting or feeling rusty. Stay inspired. Maintaining motivation is essential. Surround yourself with English materials that inspire you. Whether it's engaging literature, inspiring movies, or thought-provoking podcasts, engaging with English in ways that resonate with your interests keeps learning enjoyable. Embrace mistakes. Fear of making mistakes often contributes to learning laziness. However, mistakes are stepping stones to improvement. Embrace them as valuable learning experiences. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes. Seek support and accountability. Learning a language is not a solitary journey. Connect with fellow learners or join English language communities. Share your goals and progress with someone who can hold you accountable. Encouragement and support from peers can be incredibly motivating. Celebrate progress. Celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Recognizing your progress boosts self-confidence and provides a sense of accomplishment, driving you to reach higher levels of proficiency. Stay patient and persistent. Overcoming learning laziness and achieving optimal English proficiency is not an overnight process. Again, overcoming learning laziness and achieving optimal English proficiency is not an overnight process. It takes time, effort, and persistence. There will be moments of frustration and doubt, but remember that every step forward is progress. Rising above learning laziness is a journey in itself, my friends. A journey toward unlocking your full potential in English proficiency. With clear goals, consistency, and a resilient mindset, you can overcome laziness and achieve your optimal performance. Embrace the challenge, for it is in conquering the obstacle that we truly shine in our language learning. Your English proficiency journey is an unfolding story. And with each chapter, you become more adept, more confident, and more proficient. So embrace the journey and let your story be one of triumph and success. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.